Okay, this is Max, the 17 months. Cheese. Are you saying cheese? Can you see the dog?
Mm-hmm.
What's a dog say, Max? Can you bark like a dog? What's a dog say? You're a cute little dog.
Hey, what's a pig say?
Very good. What's a cow say? Moo. What's a lion say? Roar. Roar. Very good. What's a dog say? Dog.
Bye-bye.
He wants to go bye-bye.
It says bye-bye.
Dog says woof, woof, woof. Alright, we're all done. All done. Are you all done? Okay,
Can you
let's go
hold
bye-bye.
on?
Bye-bye.
Can you say amen?
Amen. You're so cute. What about love you?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.